go over to your store and then go down to marketing, go to coupons, add a new coupon, add in your coupon code. So this is what the customer's going to type in to get the code. So you can fill in a little description explaining what the discount is. In here you can set your coupon expiry dates to whenever you want. So in this case we're going to set it to the new year. You can set an amount. You can also allow things like free shipping. So you can tick this to enable free shipping. Just make sure you have a free shipping method connected. And you can also set usage restrictions. So here, if I want them to spend a minimum amount, I can type that in. So anything over £16 is going to trigger the free shipping, and you can do it by products, exclude products. You can also do it by categories. There's also like brands as well. So you can have a look through here and customize this to whatever suits your coupon. You can also use usage limits. You could have like a set amount of coupons, say the first 100 people to use this coupon and get a discount. And then you can limit it to the user. So you can set it to each user has one coupon. So yeah, it's got quite a lot of options here, but that's how you would do it. And then press publish.